So it's been now about 6 weeks since Southwest Florida was devastated by Hurricane Ian. My sister and others lost her pool cage, there were trees down all over the place, and it's been 6 whole weeks. I'm down visiting, and it's time to go out for a run. Okay, so this is going to be a guided tour of the Cape Carley area. I'm going for around a 3.5 mile run down at my sister's place, taking my camera, and we'll see what I find. This is Weatherly Lake, and this is the route I'm traveling. One of the first things I noticed are all the dried palm trees along the side of the road, all the debris from the palm trees. I mean, it's been 6 weeks and this stuff still hasn't been picked up. Yeah, this road gets pretty busy. Roofs and tarp. The tarp covering gaping holes to protect them from future rain and wind. And a lot of water damaged belongings on the side of the road to be picked up. This is my run. And more garbage on the side of the road. It's like fence. Tarp. There's tarp pretty much everywhere. Oh, this stretch is a little breezy. Dam over there. Wow. Check this out. Pretty much everywhere you go around here, you see the garbage strewn around. What's up, guys? How you doing? Not a fan of running on this road with the traffic and exhaust fumes. Oh man, the heat on this road and the traffic and the fumes. Hey. A lot of signs are bent like this or even missing. So that's the real story right now. There's a lot of stuff that happened, a lot of devastation, but there's still no pickup. It's a little awkward carrying this camera, but it looks like I'm finally done. And there used to be 2 wooden gates here. One for entry, one for exit. God. Almost here. Almost time to get some fluid, stretch, and relax. Adios. And that's it for the trip. As always, thanks again for watching.